Welcome back, friends. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of SQL Server functions. Let's get started. First, understand what is function. Functions in SQL Server contains SQL statements that perform some specific tasks. Functions can have input parameters and must return a single value or multiple records. Now let's check syntax for creation of function. As you can see in the image, we can use create function followed by the function name statement to create a user-defined function in SQL Server. Then we need to specify the input parameters. But it is optional. Then we need to specify the return value data type, which is going to be returned from the function body by using the returns followed by the return data type statement. And this is mandatory. Then we need to write the function body in between the begin and the end block. From the function body, at some point, we need to write the return statement followed by the return value. And also, this is mandatory. Now main question is, when to use function. So when we are writing same set of SQL statement repeatedly at multiple places, then this can be converted into a function in the database. Real life example where function can be utilized is financial application and inventory management system. In a financial application, a SQL function can be used to calculate the interest amount based on the principal, rate, and time, which can simplify interest calculations for loans or investments. Friends, there are different types of functions in SQL Server. Stay tuned as we explore each type with real-life examples. Now the types of functions in SQL Server. We have two types of functions: user-defined function and system-defined function. Then user-defined have three subtypes: scalar function, table-valued function, and aggregate function. Let's understand one by one. First is scalar function. It returns a single value based on the input parameters. They can be used in select statements, where clauses, and other SQL expressions. We return any data type value from a function. In the example, we have employee table having first name and last name column. Now we want to get full name of each employee. So, we have created a function to get the full name of the employee, and in select statement, we have called function fnGetEMP full name by passing values of first name and last name. After calling function, we will get full name of employee. Next up, we have table-valued function. Table-valued functions return a table as the result set. They can be used in the from clause of a select statement. It allows you to treat the function as a virtual table. In this example, we have created a function to get the employee list. When we call function in select statement, it will fetch out all the employees. Next, we have aggregate function. Aggregate functions perform calculations on a set of values and return a single result. They are commonly used with the group by clause to perform operations like summing, averaging, or counting data. In this example, we have grouped the category ID and calculated the total sales as per category groups. So this is how aggregate function can be used. Next up, we have system-defined functions. System functions are built-in functions provided by SQL Server that perform various operations, such as retrieving system information or manipulating dates. There are various system-defined functions available like date and time functions to work with date and time values, string functions for string manipulation, numeric functions to perform calculations on numeric data types, conversion functions to convert data between different data types, aggregate functions to perform calculations on a set of values and return a single result, system information functions to provide information about the database, server, or current session, logical functions to perform logical operations, mathematical functions to perform mathematical operations. So these are the functions available in SQL Server. I would recommend you to prepare syntax before appearing for interview. If you found the video valuable, we encourage you to subscribe, like, comment, and share. By subscribing, you will stay updated with our latest uploads and never miss out on new content that can benefit you.